Hey now, you're a math star, get your game on, go count. Hey now, you're a math star, get your game on, go add. When all that counting is done, we'll be adding sums. How are you, math stars? Well, today we are in module 18, lesson 1. So let's get started and see what we're going to learn. Here we go. Say I can. Oh, this is confusing. It's not module 1. It is lesson 1, module 18, lesson 1. I can count and write numbers up to 14 and make a group of that many objects. So what does that mean? First, let's see if we can count up to 14. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't have any more fingers, but can you go higher? Let's see, after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Stop, we're only gonna go that high. I bet you can count all the way to 100, but let's just stop at 14 for today. Okay, so here we go. We have the numbers 11, 12, 13, and 14. And this is what they look like. They have a 1 and then a number next to them. Remember how we learned about tens and ones last module? Yeah, in module 17, we learned about we have 10 ones and 4. So we have 10 right here, 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 and 4 is, well, let's see, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14, right? So 10 ones and 4 ones. So when we look at the number that's written right here, 1, this 1 represents the 10 stick, and the 4 represents the extra ones. Okay, so that's what that is. All right, let's go here. You're on page 459. Listen to the story. How can you represent the number? Write the total number of balloons Shay might have. Shay has some balloons. She needs a number of balloons from 11 to 14 to play a game. How many balloons might Shay have for the game? Now she needs a number between 11 and 14. Can she have 15? No. Can she have 10? No. Can she have 300? No. She needs a number between 11 and 14. That means she can either have 11, 12, 13, or 14 balloons. That's what she can have. So let's count how many she has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we need to give her more balloons. She needs a number between 11 and 14. So I'm going to give her, I know what number I have in my head. You can add however many you want, that as long as we'll make it be between 11 and 14. So I'm going to start with, we have 10, 11, 12, 13. That's what I'm going to stop. 13 balloons is how many she has. Is that number between, let's see, here we go. I'm going to write the number 13. 1, 3. All right. Is that number right there? Is it between 11 and 14? It is. It's right here. 13. Okay. All right. So that's what I did. You don't have to do 13. You could do 11 or 12 or 14. You can take your pick. All right. So you can pause this if you need to while you do that one, and then we'll go on. Okay. Do you guys remember what this is called right here? This is a 10 frame, and it's 10 frame because it has 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I mean, it has 10 boxes for you to put circles in. So it has 10. So there we go. We have 10. Okay. Plus, how many are 10 ones are right here? Plus 1 equals 11. All right. 10 and 1 is 11. Okay. Now for this one here, you're going to circle the group that represents the number 11. So you need to count them. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is that 11? Nope. Let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I am going to circle that group because it represents the number 11, right? Okay, you can pause this while you do that if you need to. All right, and we're going to go to 12. All right, very similar. Right here we have, what do we have? 10 frame, 10 ones, and how many more? 1, 2. So I'm going to write that 10 plus 2 equals, let's see, 10, 11, 12. That's the number 12 right there. So let's write that. 1, 2. And make sure your 2 is going the right way. I mean, I know you can, your 1 won't be going backwards, right? You can't make it go backwards, but make sure your 2 is going the right way. Okay, so here you're going to count these and then write the number. When you're counting objects, my friends, I recommend that you cross it out as you go. So I'm going to cross it out and you're going to count it, okay? I know you can probably count faster than I can cross out, right? Okay, did you get, what number did you get? Did you get the number 12? All right, you're supposed to write it over here on this line. I just wrote it there. You can pause this while you do that. All right, and now we're going to 13. We have our 10 frame, right? That's 10. Let's count it from 10. 10, and then there's 3 ones. Now, my friends, what do you notice different about this equation and this equation? Here we had 10 plus 2 equals 12. Now this one, they switched it and now the 13 or the equals is before. But you know what? I'm going to show you something. It doesn't matter. We can make the 13. We're going to go ahead. Doesn't matter which side it's on. Okay, I'm going to put a equals 13 right here. Okay, because we have 10. We have our 10 frame, 10 and 1, 2, 3. How many is 10 and 3? How many is that? 10 and 3. We have 10. This is our 10 stick and 3 more. So let's count up 10, 11, 12, 13. 10 and 3 is 13, right? Okay, when we look at this, oh, my equals left. When we look at this, all of my writing left. Oops, ay, Math Star. Where'd you learn to write your numbers? I bet you can write your numbers much neater. Okay, so 13 equals 10 plus 3. Is that correct? 10 plus 3 equals 13. It doesn't matter which side of the equation or which side of the equation the equal is on, because what's in the middle is what's important. 10 plus 3, 13 does. I have 13. It does equal 10 plus 3. And 10 plus 3 equals 13. Okay, so it doesn't matter which side of the equation the equal is on. I just want you to know that, okay? All right, now number 6, okay? Circle the group of objects that represents the number 13. So you're going to count these. I'm not going to count them this time. You're going to count them on your own, okay? And I really recommend you cross off, like I said, as you count, cross them off. The reason why I recommend that, my friends, is that sometimes you might have just like a whole bunch of something, like all of them together, and you won't know where you started, and you might skip one, or you might accidentally count one twice. So if you cross them off as you are counting them, you'll make sure to count all of them once, okay? So go ahead and pause this video while you do that, okay? Good. Now, number 14, look, they left this empty, so we get to color it. We get to put in some circles. All right, there we go. Some circles. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count up from 10 up to the number 14. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, good. Okay, well, now, my friend, Look at that. Look at that. The equal sign is on this side. Again, does it matter? Nope, we just learned it doesn't matter. Let's see, 14 equals, here we go, we have our 10 frame, 10 and how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 and 4 is 14. 10 plus 4 equals 14. 14 equals 10 plus 4. All right, good job. And now you're going to count these again. Okay, you're going to count each set. Count those, and then you're going to count those and circle the group that is 14. Okay? All right. Pause this while you do that, okay? Okay, and now it's time for the on your own. And I need to clear those, sorry. On your own, okay? You're going to go to your homeschool teacher and have them read the questions to you, okay? And this is your time to show what you know and be a math star, okay? All right, I'll see you tomorrow.